What the hell is going on, guys? It's the Sector of Pain on World of Warships.
That is possibly the worst intro I've ever heard. Let me
Alright,
provide some clarification. I'm Washington. He's Athenian. This is World of Warships.
And this is just code names. Our real names are Elliot and Jays, which will be on the screen. Welcome to what could possibly be the very first video for this channel.
I hope you remember to edit that in later. The name on the screen.
I'll try and remember.
It looks stupid if you don't.
But we're on whatever this map is. We're on the mission to get the German battleships. I'm on a tier 2. James is in a tier 3 Kolberg.
Oh man, look at all the guns!
But James, we've missed something. Arr, Neptune's beard!
Wait, is it F11? Yeah.
Yeah, it's tradition to tell the teammates to shut the fuck up.
And then you get people like that joining this.
Yeah, but he needs to be told to shut the fuck up as well.
All going southwards. Shut up.
Yeah, he needs to shut the fuck up.
He's telling us the code.
It's 007.
He's telling us the code.
Tell me the code.
I'm trying to figure out what he's on about. Just F11 him.
Just shut the fuck up, seriously. Have a nice hot cup of it. We've got enemy planes inbound on radar.
The radar.
Yeah, the radar.
Plane.
Torpedoes. Or is that bombs? I can't tell. The symbols look too similar.
I think it's bombs. Torpedoes is like triple tube and that. Oh wow. He's only just realised that I'm in Halo. Like that's the joke. Smart boy. No, they're bombs. You're fine. Oh no, smart kid. Oh, enemy Kolberg.
I can't even remember what the distance is on my cannons.
Jesus Christ, my range is 8 kilometers.
Yeah, Sam.
I'm way too far.
I'm too used to being in the battleships and being able to sit back from 5 miles away and shoot them.
I don't think I can live without a battleship now.
Oh, I can live without the reload times.
Just imagine a battleship but with cruiser reload time.
Although realistically, the reload time wouldn't actually be that much smaller. I mean, the rounds are bigger, yeah, but it wouldn't be that much worse, would it?
I can't even remember the aim on this game. It's been far too long.
Well, you do, man. I had a nice success of misses there. And again.
Alright, I got my first hit.
Am I supposed to use high explosive on these dudes? I don't even know.
I can't remember what you're supposed to use and what you're not.
Alright. I've 3 salvos and every single one has missed so far.
These cannons sound badass.
First hit. What? Yeah, I got my first hit. Ah!
Man, listen to this volley.
I gotta say, the cannons sound pretty good by the Germans.
And that's all. He's a battleship, can't even touch him.
Oh my god, blow him up. Ah, bullshit, that should have been my good. Oh, that is too far. Oh, out.
And the Germans really don't have to make some cannons.
Oh, I'm just getting shots at that. No, down.
Actually, I'm fucking sailing right at him.
James, suicide it. For the good of your country.
Spin around. Fire the other cannons. Just pepper his fucking deck.
No, it's like the battle for the North Sea all over again.
Can't even damage him.
Oh, I'm just using high explosives. I've been hitting him on the top.
So I'm trying to hit like his structures, but it's doing nothing.
You got nothing on me!
Problem solved, sir.
Go on, guys, do the ram, do the ram.
I can't, I want to live another day.
Nah, that's not an option. You have to dive to the goal of your country. Right, am I stuck on the side wall? Yes, I am.
I'll just keep peppering this. Structures and shit. Actually, you know, I probably should have ran him, so I'm gonna burn out. I think.
Oh, I've just took my first hit of the game.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna burn out.
See if the armor penetration does anything. No, it just gives me hits. Ah, there we go. I got some damage then. No! Oh, come on, let me kill it.
Mug.
I got a bit excited about killing him.
Oh, he's in the cinematic free. Shit, no, I'm not. Right, I can begin again. Oh, he's in the cinematic free camera. There's Athenian boy.
I'm going on a nice little... James, I assume that's you sinking to the bottom of the ocean there?
Yeah. All the carriers over here. Look at this
Oh.
target.
Sweet Bix.
Oh, I've got my camera right above his deck. Fire those shots, boy.
I can't, it's too far out of range at the moment.
Oh. It's the march of our planes.
They wouldn't exactly be marching, it'd be kind of flying, but...
Shut up, man. They got torpedoes. It's the mines.
Get back here, you little bitch.
Mate, it's got some mad anti-air cannons, you know.
Ah, I was just behind it.
You hit quite a bit short.
Oh shit, torpedoes! Oh! Oh! I dodged it.
Oh, mate, I recorded that from the top view. That was badass.
Oh shit, I'm on fire from something.
Bombs.
Ah, son of a bitch.
I'll
Now
keep
to
an
put the
eye-
heart on.
Torpedo.
Alright. I'll just any plans would do. I'm putting the smack down on him. Where's the bloody sit down on that?
No idea.
Oh no, that's bullshit! Took my kill! Fucking arsehole, fucking hoity-toity bastard.
What a game.
That was an excellent game. Although I got fuck all for it. 254 points. Seriously?
Tell you what, though. It's the big race. I can't wait to race. It's going to be a race to who dies first, me or you.
What's the betting will be me that goes first?
Two.
Oh, James, just underneath. And just underneath you,
Oh!
guess what it is? It's a Tenryu!
I've missed that, and I missed that ship. That ship was badass.
It's gonna lead us to victory, it is. Man, this game actually looks so fucking beautiful.
Yeah.
With free to play, this is a fucking good looking game.
General quarters.
The battle started.
Alright, let's see if anyone needs a hot cup of shut the fuck up.
I think I've got too much ice in the engine. The shit's moving really slow.
You need to thaw that shit out with a nice hot cup of shut the fuck up.
Yeah.
Alright, what's this Chester clown doing? Are you not fucking moving? Seriously, you dickhead. Are you firing at me, you fucking hoity-toity?
I'm just testing the barrage. It's like Nigel. You can't barrage the Farage.
I thought you were going to say Nigel Marvin then.
Where's Elephant Boy?
That fucking reviewer did.
Wait, I've been detected.
Whoop whoop whoop! You've been detected.
Virus
Right.
detected.
Where are they? Is that Chester dude? Oh, it's finally got moving. Well done. I think you figured out it was the W key.
Yeah. What a dummy.
You dumb bastard.
Enemy force detected.
Oh,
whoa,
there's
whoa,
the
whoa,
Kohlberg.
whoa. Can we negotiate?
We can negotiate with cannons.
Come to negotiate, I have you slimy git.
Guess what I've got? The triple guns.
A jar of cannons. Boy,
Alright.
Dresden boy hurt you.
You better not get me
Chester,
fucking
whatever
started.
it is.
If he fucking keeps hitting me, I will actually volley his fucking life.
He set me on fire already, you racist.
Good looking fair seas. How about you have a nice little cup and shut the fuck up? Oh, that was a big hit. That
Tenryu.
enemy Kohlberg get fucked. Oh shit! Enemy Dresden right by me. Didn't even see him.
Enemy Dresden doing the works.
I'm deviling him.
And a Chester. Tell you what, Chester. You're attacking the wrong ship. I ain't got no citadel, man.
I'm telling you, James, this is the wrong ship. You ain't got no fucking citadel.
So let me ask you something, man.
Now, let me tell you something.
Oh no, it's stepping it up. As you say, you need to like, rub your head as well. So let me ask you something,
yeah.
man.
You gotta do a little brain scratch. Oh shit, James Makarov from the Call of Duty series is here to kill me.
Look at this Oh no, it's a Tenryu. Rip, rip. He's got torpedoes. He's got
You're done for.
torpedoes. Where are the
Tenryu!
Wait, he didn't drop them.
In before, mass explosion and deathly screams.
He didn't drop them. Bleep, bleep, bleep. I'm alright, I think though.
We've destroyed an enemy cruiser.
Ow. The Diana thing's killing me.
What even is that ship? I've never heard of it.
It must be a new British ship.
Sounds dumb.
Yeah, it's probably named after Diana. Surprised me, to be fair.
Oh god, he's gonna drop the torps, I reckon. He's just on like a 180 spin. Wait, how did I sink him?
I have no idea because I blasted him.
Maybe I set him on
Maybe
fire.
you got. Yeah, he did appear to be on fire. And now, of course, the dogs decide that they're going to want to bark.
That's why cats are awesome. You don't have to worry about another barking.
Right, come on, I want to kill this Diana thing. And I now realise that sounds pretty bad out of context.
Oh, come on, Tenry, you! You're heading down to the depths, son.
To the depths!
Oh!
Oh, come on, I haven't got a fucking kill yet. I've got 128 hits on people, but I am, like, doing mass damage. But I've not got a kill.
I just heard the sound that plays when you get done, like, massive damage, but I didn't take massive damage.
So, odd. Oh, can this fucking dickhead die?
Oh god, I'm going to be saying goodnight. South Carolina's onto me.
Don't worry, I'll suicide him when I get there. I just want to take on this bitch first.
I just need to sleep tight and say goodnight.
Great song, though.
So you can see where I've done the work to this geezer. This whole ship's on fire.
Yes!
Oh, he's got a kill.
Alright, I'm homing on that South Carolina now. It's done for.
Yeah, come have a look at the barbecue on him.
Oh, holy koala, mate. We're having a barbecue.
Yeah, I'm giving him a fucking barbecue.
Oh, I actually got fucking big damage on him then.
No, I'm gonna try the armor pierce.
If you hit him on the top, you actually get some damage. Yep, the question is, are you looking to protect yourself or deal some damage?
Oh yeah,
I think he's gonna. I reckon he's gonna go down before I can ram him.
I'm actually getting some more damage.
Enemy battleship destroyed.
Nice, nice.
Well, that was a quick game.
It was very quick. Hey, I got fined for causing damage to allies. He shot me. Oh, that's bullshit. Well, well, guys, if you like this episode, give it a like. You know, good old thumbs up and subscribe. This is the Sector of Pain signing out.